Hello friends, I am Ronia John, Associate Professor in Biani Group of Colleges. Welcome to all on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on AIDS. First we will see what is the definition of AIDS. It is an infectious disease which is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. It is a virus in which the immune system of a person gets so weakened that a person is very prone to even the acute infections. So next we will see what are its incubation period. In the incubation period, we will see that the symptoms starts to appear in a person from 6 months to 6 years. So appropriately for about 6 years, the symptoms start appearing slowly within a person. Next, we will see about the clinical manifestations. In the clinical manifestations, the symptoms noticed in a person is that the patient will be having acute fever for about 1 month. He would be having chronic diarrhea for about 1 month, and a main lesion, that is a Kaposi's sarcoma, a cherry-like lesion which appears on the skin of a person, will be seen in the type of AIDS. And next we will see that there is enlarged lymph nodes in the patients, and patient would be having profuse sweating. And well, let's see what are the causes of AIDS. So first one, it is through the sexual transmission. So when a person comes in contact with an infected person, or when he undergoes an unprotected sexual intercourse, the person may be prone to AIDS. Next is transmission by blood. So when an infected blood gets transfused in a person, the person may be prone to AIDS, or if it is through the contaminated needles or through any contaminated blood or sputum, the person may be able to have AIDS. Next is the perinatal transmission. In the perinatal transmission, it occurs through a mother who is already infected by AIDS. So from a womb, a child may able to get the AIDS. Next, we will see about its management. So in the management, usually there is no accurate management for AIDS, and mainly we will support the patient by antiviral agents such as acyclovir. And apart from that, we will be giving the supportive care to the patient, such as psychological support. Even the counselings will be given to the mother if the mother is suffering from HIV infection. So important sex education also will be given to the mother and to the family, and the community should be made aware that the AIDS does not spread through any of the physical contact, but it can be only spread through sexual contact or through the blood transfusion. Thank you. For further details, you can log on to our website www.gurukpo.com.